Okay, so we are here on our laptop screen. First of all, you have to open Chrome in your laptop. After opening Chrome, just open YouTube. As you can see here that this is the YouTube. Now you just have to click on your channel logo. After clicking on this, different option will appear here. So you have to click on setting. After clicking on setting, new menu will appear. Here is the first option, channel status and feature. Just click on that. After clicking on that, a new menu will appear with different options. So you have to close this page, and on the left side of your laptop screen, just click on contents. As you can see here that all of these are my channel uploads, channel videos. Let's say for example, I want to change the logo or the thumbnail for this video. So what you have to do, you just have to the detail option, click the detail option here. After clicking the detail option here, so a new menu will appear. You just have to scroll down, right? After clicking scroll down here you will find an option by the name of thumbnail, right? So these are the thumbnails here. If you want to add, if you want to change thumbnails, so just click any one of these. So remember that these are the thumbnails that YouTube has picked up from your video. If you want to select this one, this will work. So this is my video. YouTube has gotten this thumbnail from my video. This one, this one, this one. If you click on learn more, so it will show you the complete details that how we can add a thumbnail to your video. Remember that if you added best thumbnail for your video, so it will attract your viewers here, right? Let's say for example, I'm going to click on option. If I click on change option, all right, so they will redirect me to your my computer. If I want to add such type of thumbnail, remember that you can add any kind of thumbnail to your YouTube video. Just make an attractive and a beautiful thumbnail for your video in order to attract viewers, right? So just click on any one of these and click on option. They will change your thumbnail. So this was a short video that how we can add or how we can change a thumbnail for our YouTube channel. So this is the option. As you can see here, just click on these three dots and click on change, and after clicking on change option, they will direct you to your computer. So just choose any one of your thumbnail that you have in your laptop, click on that and just click on option open, sorry. So they will change your video thumbnail or your video image. Remember that all we are trying is to make a beautiful and an attractive image in order to attract viewers from YouTube. So thanks for watching. Stay connected.